Hi guys, as I've said in my previous videos, I'm doing small scale farming. This giant sweet potato, which is more than 2 kilos, have just been dug from the ground right now, and I'm happy. At least my farm is doing something for me. I've planted a few other things. I have some spinach, and this one I don't know what you call it in English, so I'm trying to figure out. It is, to me, we call it in Kamba Mwe, but in English I think it's either finger millet, the green stuff. So it seems to be doing very well. These are just a few stems which were for trials. And I have here planted garlic, which you can see here. And here is ginger. And at the far end, there is some turmeric, which I've planted. These are on trial basis, and they seem to be doing quite well. And here I have some onions, spring onions, and this is thorn melon, which is just sprouting. And these are the cherry tomatoes, which are it's just a trial that I'm trying. And I have some green pepper, which is growing quite well, and they have started producing. And I have a few purple trees which have started flowering. And this is butternut, is also flowering. But due to the heavy rains, some of the things didn't do very well. And this is avocado tree, which is growing. And here I have an orange tree. There are several of them. They had matured. We have consumed all of them. And I also have loquat, which is growing here. And on the other side, we have some carrots, which are doing quite well. And I have some lemon trees, which are producing quite big lemons. So in the morning, I have my lemon juice, which I make lemonade, which I make from my lemons. And on that far end, I have pomegranate, which is yet to flower. And as I told you, I have some mangoes. It's not yet flowering. And this is sour plant, which is also not yet flowering. And my pilipilis are here. They are doing quite well. Some have started maturing. And I think I have some other things which I'm not going to show in this video because they are far. My garden is not big, but I also have maize which didn't do well because of the very heavy rains. But at least I'll get something for my kitchen. So I'll be going to the circle for some time. So I think farming is the way to go. Thank you for listening. The sweetie potato which I have here, I'll roast it for my breakfast tomorrow.